Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bittu and in this video we are going to learn about pronoun and also we are going to learn about kinds of pronoun. Now what is pronoun? Pronoun is a word that replaces a noun or another pronoun to avoid repetition. Now here pro means what? Instead of. So pronoun means what? Instead of noun. In short, you can say the word which is used instead of noun is said to be pronoun. See the examples here. He, she, it, you, we, they, him, her, them, us, mine, yours, etc. Let us see the types of pronoun here. First one is personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun, distributive pronoun, and reciprocal pronoun. Now, kinds of pronoun. Let us begin with our first pronoun, that is personal pronoun. Why it is said to be personal? Because it refers to the following three person. First one is what? First person, or you can say the speaker. Okay, I, me, we, us. And the second person, or you can say the listener to whom you are talking, you, right? Now the third person or the person is spoken about like he, she, it, they, him, her, them. See the examples. First one, I am a student. Second example, you can use my pencil. Third, they are our classmates. Now, possessive pronoun. It used to indicate possession or sense of being. Pronouns like mine, our, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs are said to be possessive pronoun because it used to say possessiveness. Okay, like this hat is mine. Now I'm showing possessiveness towards the hat that this is mine hat, right? This hat is mine. That cat is yours. The briefcase is theirs. Now, what is reflexive pronoun? The pronoun used to reflect the action done by the subject upon it. In short, you can say it is the reflection of the same subject. Okay, it refers to the same person as the subject of the verb. Pronoun like myself, ourself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, themselves. Okay, now if I say I have done my work myself, I, my, and myself, right? It is the reflection of my, right? My work is done by myself. Now see the example. First one, you must do your work yourself. Okay, your work should be done by yourself. The bird started staring at itself in the mirror. Okay, it is the reflection of what? The bird itself. They have done their work themselves. Okay, see the reflection, they themselves. Now, what is demonstrative pronoun? A pronoun which is used to point out or demonstrate person or things. Okay, like these, that, those. Now, these are my books. I am demonstrating, right? These are my books. This is a pencil. That is blue pen. Those are yellow flowers. Now, interrogative pronoun. Why interrogative? You all know, right? It used to ask question, right? Question words like who, whom, which, what. Now, see the examples. Whom are you looking for? What are you doing in my class? Who is your seniors? Sorry, who is your senior? Now, relative pronoun. It is used to join sentences and introduce noun clause and relative clause. Relative pronoun are who, whose, whom, which, that, etc. As I have told you, it is a relative pronoun, so it used to relate, right? Now, see, the lady who is sitting there is my grandmother. So, I am relating about that lady, right? Who is sitting there is my grandmother. This is the purse that I brought yesterday. Okay, this is the purse that I bought yesterday. So, I'm talking about the purse that is bought by me, right? Yesterday. Now, I know the person who sits next to you. Now, distributive pronoun. So, pronoun that is used to show the distribution of the noun is said to be distributive pronoun. So in a collective noun, okay, in a collection of any noun, so you are distributing each and every person in that subject, because like it considers member of a group separately. Okay, if there is a group of people, so you are going to point out the each and every member of the group rather than collectively. See the example, each soldiers has a gun, means we are talking a group of soldiers. Okay, so each of them are having a gun, so we are what, we are distributing it. Now either of you can stay, means maybe most of people are there, so either of you means any one of you can stay, right? So every one of the five men received a reward, so there are five people, so everyone, okay, each of them has got a reward. The sentence means like that. Okay, every one of the five member received a reward. Now reciprocal pronoun that is made up of two different pronoun and shows a mutual relationship is called a reciprocal pronoun. See the example, the two sisters hug each other. It's a reciprocal, right? So the two sisters hug each other, and we need to support one another during this difficult time. So each one another, like that. Okay, now I hope you have understood the video. So thanks for watching till the end. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel.